What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're always dropping the best automotive content. Today, we're diving deep into something that's close to every car buyer's heart: reliability. We're talking about 7 SUVs that are absolutely legendary for their durability, vehicles that will keep running long after other cars have given up the ghost. These are the SUVs that mechanics see so rarely for major repairs that they practically forget these models exist. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's explore these automotive tanks that simply refuse to die. Before we jump in, I want to tell you about my neighbor's 2005 Toyota 4Runner. This thing has over 300,000 miles on it, and I kid you not, it still starts every single morning without fail. The paint might be faded, there might be a few dings here and there, but mechanically, it's as solid as the day it rolled off the lot. That's the kind of reliability we're talking about today. These aren't just vehicles, they're investments that keep paying dividends year after year. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why these 7 SUVs have earned their reputation as the most dependable vehicles on the planet. 1. Toyota 4Runner. Let's start with the absolute king of reliability, the Toyota 4Runner. This SUV has been around since 1984, and Toyota has perfected the formula for durability over nearly 4 decades. The current generation, which started in 2010, might look a bit dated compared to some modern SUVs, but that's actually part of its charm and reliability secret. Toyota hasn't felt the need to constantly redesign and re-engineer this platform because it simply works. Under the hood, you'll find the legendary 4.0-liter V6 engine that produces 270 horsepower. This isn't the most powerful engine in its class, and it's certainly not the most fuel efficient, but what it lacks in modern metrics, it more than makes up for in longevity. This engine is based on proven technology that's been refined over years. The 5-speed automatic transmission paired with it is equally robust, designed to handle serious off-road abuse and still deliver smooth operation on the highway. What makes the 4Runner truly special is its body-on-frame construction. While most modern SUVs have moved to unibody designs for better fuel economy and ride comfort, Toyota stuck with the truck-based platform. This means the 4Runner can handle serious abuse that would leave other SUVs with bent frames or structural damage. Whether you're hauling a boat, traversing rocky trails, or just dealing with the daily grind of city driving, this SUV takes it all in stride. The interior might not have the latest tech features, but everything that's there is built to last. The controls are intuitive, the materials are chosen for durability rather than luxury, and the overall design philosophy prioritizes function over form. Owners regularly report reaching 200,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance. 2. Honda Pilot. Next up is the Honda Pilot, a 3-row SUV that's been quietly building a reputation for exceptional reliability since its introduction in 2003. Honda's approach to the Pilot is similar to Toyota's philosophy with the 4Runner, but with a focus on family hauling rather than off-road capability. The result is an SUV that combines practicality with the legendary Honda reliability that's made the brand famous worldwide. The current generation Pilot features Honda's 3.5-liter V6 engine, a power plant that's been proven across Honda's lineup for years. This engine produces 280 horsepower in the Pilot and is paired with either a 6-speed or 9-speed automatic transmission depending on the model year. What's remarkable about this engine is its ability to deliver both performance and longevity. It's smooth, refined, and engineered with Honda's typical attention to detail that prioritizes long-term durability over short-term performance gains. Honda's variable timing and lift electronic control system, known as VTEC, helps the engine optimize performance across different driving conditions while maintaining efficiency and reducing wear on internal components. This technology has been refined over decades and contributes significantly to the engine's longevity. The transmission, while sometimes criticized for being a bit conservative in its shifting patterns, is designed with durability in mind. Honda engineers prioritize smooth operation and long-term reliability over aggressive performance characteristics. The Pilot's unibody construction provides excellent crash protection and a comfortable ride, while still offering impressive towing capacity and cargo space. The interior is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials that resist wear and tear. Honda's attention to detail extends to components you might not think about. These are the parts that often fail on other vehicles, but Honda engineers them to last. Maintenance on the Pilot is straightforward and affordable. Honda's recommended service intervals are reasonable, and the parts are widely available and competitively priced. Many Pilot owners report trouble-free operation well into the high mileage range, with some vehicles approaching 300,000 miles while still providing reliable daily transportation for large families. 3. Lexus GX 460. The Lexus GX 460 represents the luxury end of ultra-reliable SUVs, but don't let the premium badge fool you into thinking it's fragile. This SUV is essentially a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado wearing Lexus luxury, which means you get the legendary Toyota reliability wrapped in a package that won't embarrass you at the country club. Since its introduction in 2010, the GX 460 has been consistently ranked among the most reliable luxury SUVs on the market. At the heart of the GX 460 is Toyota's bulletproof 4.6-liter V8 engine, the same power plant found in the Tundra pickup truck and other Toyota trucks around the world. This engine produces 301 horsepower and 329 lb of torque, providing plenty of power for highway merging, mountain climbing, or towing up to 6,500 pounds. The engine is naturally aspirated, which means fewer components that can fail compared to turbocharged alternatives. Toyota's philosophy with this engine was to create something that could run in the harshest conditions around the world with minimal maintenance, and they succeeded brilliantly. The 6-speed automatic transmission is equally robust, designed to handle the V8's torque output while providing smooth shifts in all conditions. The transmission features Toyota's sequential shift mode and is engineered to last hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. The full-time 4-wheel drive system with a 2-speed transfer case gives the GX460 serious off-road capability while maintaining excellent on-road manners. What sets the GX460 apart from other luxury SUVs is its body-on-frame construction. While competitors have moved to lighter unibody designs, Lexus stuck with the truck-based platform that provides exceptional durability and capability. This construction method means the GX460 can handle serious abuse and still maintain its structural integrity. The suspension system, featuring independent front suspension and a solid rear axle, is designed for both comfort and durability. The luxury appointments in the GX460 are built to the same high standards as the mechanical components. The leather seats are thick and durable, the wood trim is real, and the electronic systems are designed with redundancy and reliability in mind. Lexus owners regularly report vehicles with over 200,000 miles that still look and feel nearly new inside and out. 4. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback might not look like a traditional SUV, but this lifted wagon has earned its place on this list through decades of providing reliable transportation in some of the world's harshest conditions. Since its introduction in the mid-1990s, the Outback has become synonymous with durability, all-weather capability, and longevity. It's the vehicle of choice for outdoor enthusiasts, rural residents, and anyone who needs dependable transportation regardless of weather conditions. Subaru's approach to reliability centers around their horizontally opposed engine design, commonly known as a boxer engine. The current Outback is available with either a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder or a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. The naturally aspirated engine, in particular, has earned a reputation for exceptional longevity. The boxer design provides a lower center of gravity and inherently balanced operation, which reduces vibration and wear on engine components. The Outback's standard all-wheel drive system is one of the most sophisticated and reliable in the industry. Unlike many competitors that use part-time or reactive all-wheel drive systems, Subaru's system continuously sends power to all 4 wheels. This provides superior traction in all conditions while spreading wear evenly across all 4 tires and drivetrain components. The system is designed to be maintenance-free for the life of the vehicle. The CVT uses a chain rather than a belt, which provides better longevity and can handle more torque than traditional CVT designs. While some owners prefer the feel of a traditional automatic transmission, the CVT contributes to the Outback's excellent fuel economy and smooth operation. The Outback's construction prioritizes safety and durability. The body structure is designed to meet Subaru's rigorous safety standards while providing excellent protection against rust and corrosion. The interior materials are chosen for their ability to withstand constant use and exposure to the elements. Many Outback owners are outdoor enthusiasts who use their vehicles hard, and the interior design reflects this reality with durable fabrics and easy-to-clean surfaces. Maintenance costs for the Outback are reasonable, and the vehicle is designed for easy serviceability. Subaru's recommended maintenance schedule is straightforward, and most routine service can be performed at any qualified shop. Many Outback owners report vehicles with well over 200,000 miles that continue to provide reliable transportation with nothing more than routine maintenance. 5. Honda CRV. The Honda CRV has been America's best-selling SUV for several years running, and that popularity isn't based on marketing hype or flashy features. The CRV has earned its reputation through consistent reliability, practical design, and Honda's legendary build quality, reliability, efficiency, and practicality. The current generation CRV is powered by either a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine or a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, depending on the trim level. While some might worry about the long-term reliability of the turbocharged engine, Honda has extensive experience with turbocharged power plants and has engineered this engine with durability in mind. The turbocharger is conservatively tuned and uses advanced materials to ensure longevity. The naturally aspirated engine carries forward Honda's reputation for bulletproof reliability with updated technology for improved efficiency and emissions. Honda's CVT design uses proven technology and is engineered to last the life of the vehicle with proper maintenance. This hybrid approach provides the best of both worlds: the efficiency of a CVT with the durability of traditional gearing where it's needed most. most. Honda's real-time all-wheel drive system in the CRV is designed for both efficiency and reliability. The system can send up to 50% of the engine's power to the rear wheels when needed, but operates in front-wheel drive mode during normal driving to maximize fuel economy. The system is maintenance-free and designed to provide reliable operation for hundreds of thousands of miles. The CRV's interior is a masterclass in practical design and build quality. Every control is logically placed and built to withstand constant use. The materials are chosen for durability rather than luxury, but the overall fit and finish is excellent. Honda's attention to detail extends to small components like door handles, window switches, and climate controls that often fail on other vehicles but continue working reliably in the CRV. 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander represents Toyota's approach to the three-row family SUV market, and like everything Toyota builds, reliability is the primary focus. The Highlander has been providing dependable family transportation since 2001, and each generation has improved upon the last, while maintaining Toyota's core values of durability and longevity. Under the hood, the Highlander is available with either a 3.5-liter V6 engine or a hybrid powertrain, combining a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors. The V6 engine is a proven power plant that's been used across Toyota's lineup for years. It produces 295 horsepower and provides smooth, refined operation with excellent long-term reliability. The hybrid powertrain in the Highlander Hybrid is based on Toyota's proven hybrid synergy drive system, the same technology that's made the Prius famous for reliability. The system combines a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder engine with two electric motors to produce a combined 243 horsepower. Toyota has more experience with hybrid technology than any other manufacturer, and their systems are engineered for exceptional longevity. Many Toyota hybrids have exceeded 300,000 miles with their original battery packs still functioning normally. The 8-speed automatic transmission in the conventional Highlander is designed for smooth operation and long-term durability. Toyota's approach to transmission design prioritizes longevity over aggressive performance characteristics, resulting in smooth shifts and reliable operation for hundreds of thousands of miles. The hybrid model uses an electronically controlled, continuously variable transmission that's specifically designed for hybrid applications and proven across Toyota's hybrid lineup. Toyota's all-wheel drive system in the Highlander is designed for both efficiency and reliability. The system can send power to the rear wheels when needed, but operates in front-wheel drive mode during normal driving to maximize fuel economy. The system is maintenance-free and designed to provide reliable operation throughout the vehicle's life. 7. Chevrolet Tahoe. Our final entry is the Chevrolet Tahoe, representing American engineering at its most durable. While domestic vehicles sometimes have a reputation for reliability issues, this full-size SUV is built to handle serious work and family duty while providing the longevity that commercial and family buyers demand. The current generation Tahoe is powered by either a 5.3-liter or 6.2-liter V8 engine, both featuring General Motors' proven small-block architecture. These engines represent decades of refinement and improvement of one of the most successful engine families in automotive history. The 5.3-liter engine produces 355 horsepower and has been proven in millions of GM trucks and SUVs over the years. The larger 6.2-liter engine provides 420 horsepower for buyers who need maximum towing capability, reducing fuel consumption while maintaining smooth operation. GM's experience with this technology spans over a decade, and the system is designed to provide reliable operation for the life of the vehicle. The 10-speed automatic transmission in the Tahoe is a joint development between General Motors and Ford, representing the best engineering efforts from both companies. The transmission provides smooth shifts and optimal gear ratios for both performance and efficiency. The additional gear ratios allow the engine to operate in its most efficient range more often, contributing to both fuel economy and longevity. The Tahoe's body-on-frame construction provides exceptional durability and capability. The frame is designed to handle serious towing loads and rough use, while maintaining structural integrity for hundreds of thousands of miles. The suspension system is designed for both comfort and durability, with components that can handle the weight and stress of a full-size SUV while providing a comfortable ride for passengers. There you have it. 7 SUVs that simply refuse to quit. From the off-road prowess of the Toyota 4Runner to the family-friendly reliability of the Honda Pilot, these vehicles represent the best of automotive engineering when durability is the primary goal. What makes these SUVs special isn't just their ability to rack up high mileage, but their ability to do so while maintaining their functionality, comfort, and safety features. The common thread among all these vehicles is their manufacturer's commitment to proven technology over cutting-edge features that might not stand the test of time. These companies prioritize engineering for longevity rather than chasing the latest trends or maximum performance figures. The result is vehicles that might not always be the most exciting or technologically advanced, but they'll keep running long after flashier competitors have been relegated to the scrapyard. If you're in the market for an SUV and reliability is your top priority, you really can't go wrong with any of these 7 choices. They represent different sizes, price points, and capabilities, but they all share that most important characteristic: they simply don't break down. Remember to hit that like button if this video helped you out, subscribe for more automotive content, and let me know in the comments which of these reliable SUVs is your favorite. Until next time, keep those wheels turning.